Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to learn about 3 tips in Pixellab that will help you use the app better. Okay, so first we're going to talk about usage of border radius. We'll just create a shape here and then I'll just resize it and then give it border radius. I just want to make edges a bit rounded and then I'll create a text. Maybe in text I'll just fill in any random words just to show a practical example of what some people do with border radius is that it's bad. So just change the color so we can see it here, and then I'll just enlarge it. Now some people want to like stretch the box so to be able to like cover the text, and they'll just drag it like that. It's a very bad thing to do because it stretches the box and then it spells the corner radius or the this thing curves in the edges. Instead, if you want to change the radius, you click on the edit button, you select the box, click on the edit button, and then reduce the opacity so you could see through it, and then enlarge the box. Now the border radius remains the same and it does not stretch. It remains the same and it's like that. Instead of having to stretch the box. The next tip is going to be about images and cropping of images. This one I just use it once in a while for if I have an image and I don't want to change the position, even if I want to remove a part of it. So for example, I want to cut out a part of this image. Let's say the part where the line is going to be now. If I want to cut out a part of that image, I might crop it like that, and then you see it changes the position. But something I can do is to go to the eraser to create a box and cut out the parts I want to cut out from the image, and then you see it remains in the same position without having to move. This is really important at times. And then the last tip for today is creating the text and a box as the background. Sometimes I see a lot of people, like what I did the first example where I created a box and then I created a text to fill in. Yeah, what you do like this, and then you create a box and then you create a text and then a box to fill in as the background. This is actually a very bad thing to do because you see the reason in a minute. If I change the text now to let's say something longer than what was there before, you see that it overlaps the box, and now I have to resize the box to fill in what I previously did. And you see, this is actually very stressful if you have a lot of content in Pixellab. Something you could do is to use the background feature in Pixellab. You select the text and go to the background feature in Pixellab, and then you enable it, and then you set the left and right paddings. You set all the paddings on the different sides to what you want. You can set the border radius too from here for the corners. I'll just touch that, and then you can change the text to any value or to any text, and you see that it resizes automatically and you don't have to resize the box again. This is really useful, especially when you have a lot of content and you're filling it into boxes. You don't want to be resizing boxes. So that's it, guys. That's 3 tips for Pixellab users to help you improve your game. Thank you for watching. Alright, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please, if you did, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel for more value. Click a video on screen to get more knowledge on Pixellab and smartphone graphic design. Click on my social links in the description to follow me on social media and to join my Telegram and WhatsApp group chat to get more information.